If you need to remove a device from your Mon Finance account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Mon Finance app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the profile or menu section of the app or website. Step 3. Select device management. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled device management or security settings. Click on it to view the devices linked to your account. Step 4. Identify the device to remove. Review the list of devices connected to your account. Find the specific device you wish to remove and select it for further options. Step 5. Remove the device. After selecting the device, look for a remove or disconnect option. Confirm your choice when prompted to successfully remove the device from your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove devices from your Mon Finance account, enhancing your account security.